The 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, power moonroof, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.